Right, new sheet of metal's arrived, as you can see, so that should last me for quite a while now. So the progress report on the JCB. I've been working on the back end of the cab, which was pretty badly corroded and falling apart actually. So what I did is made up 2 strips on the back for the plate. So as you can see now, she's looking even more strong than it was before. So I made this plate in such a length. I cut it in 2 actually, because I don't know if it was low on plate originally. So she's seam welded there. This end's okay, this side. So she's been tack welded there. The next stage is to renew from there down there right to the bottom. This plate, thin plate, is going to be removed with another plate fixed to. That's going to be renewed. The inner skin on the back will be lowered and strengthened, because this will be taking lights. Work lights will be fitted between the number plates, one there and one there. So that'll be stronger. This will be removed, that'll be cut out, that'll be strengthened. Next stage then is to do alongside, depending how this rubs down. If this rubs down nice and flush, I won't change it, but I shall graft in new metal from there to the end. This is where the door is. This frame here is badly corroded, so all this is going to be renewed, be re-welded back into this section here, and it should start to take shape then. But over that section over there, you can see that needs cleaning up, treating, grinding back and welding. So in all there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, say 6 welding panels to do. The best way I found is if you can use these as a pattern, or if not, the best way to do it is making templates out of bits of cardboard. And I've actually got offcuts of thin aluminium, which I could you can shape very easily, and use that as a pattern for the 2mm steel. I call this, it'll be 2mm steel. So still a fair bit of work. I would say it's 30% done at the moment, but as you can see, the back section now is starting to take shape. The main obstacle has been the weather. Only now it's stopped raining, so weather is the main obstacle in this job this week. It hasn't been progressed since the beginning of the week. So hopefully over the weekend I can at least progress the back end of it. But with that 8x4 sheet of 2mm plate now, I shouldn't run into anything. I've plenty of welding rods, and that's all I need is good weather. So till next time.